Hi all, welcome to our channel. This topic regarding webmaster setup for new website. Basically, Bing webmaster, what is the purpose of using? We can go to Bing search engine. If you're searching for any company name, we can visible to your particular content purpose. Are any people searching for digital marketing company in Pragati Nagar? Here, number of options are here. Here is our website. How we can show that our website will be Bing search engine list. There is a purpose. We can activate Bing Webmaster. First of all, before Webmaster verification, Google Search Console indexing compulsory important. Nothing but setup is important. In this purpose, I'm selecting one of the website name is called Sri Gayatri Astrology.com. Bing Webmaster, search on Google, open the first URL. This account creation purpose, log in with your Google account. They will show will be login purpose. Three account will be visible: Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Previous only Microsoft is one option based on the 2 years before. Now will be three option. Select always will be Google. Why we selecting always Google? Google search console information automatically will be export to the Bing Webmaster. Only exporting only we can exporting voice. This information will be exported to Bing Webmaster. Based on Google Search Console file import by the Bing Webmaster option. Click for Google login. Select will be here. Maximum they will ask the password sometime will be not asking for password. What is called import? Which is export? Search Console will be export. Google Search Console. Bing Webmaster will be import. Click the file. Click for continue option. Log in your email ID. Click for allow. There's a fraction of seconds. The file will move to the your particular Bing Webmaster. No need for other verification. Is the only one verification done by Google, automatically verified by the Bing Webmaster option. This will be complete file will be import. Success will be done. And only import wise we can done by the procedure. But index everything will be separate. Only import file will be done. That is the option. This will be created by the Bing Webmaster by use option name is called Google Search Console. With a Google Search Console, no Bing Webmaster. This is the very clear information about the Bing Webmaster search engine crawling purpose. Any search preference crawling purpose we can. Next thing is called you update your profile later. They will be very important for the easily understanding about the profile information purpose. So what is the information required? Everything will be uploaded by the XML sitemap. Everything upload will be here is the option. Previously done by the XML sitemap, upload by the in your particular format. So this will be verify will be Bing Webmaster for the search engine purpose. If any questions about Bing Webmaster setup and procedure, please contact my channel. I definitely will be help you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.